What's going on, guys? My name's Evan. I'm the fleet manager here. Just gonna do a quick walk down of how to load a skid loader, get it all chained down, just kind of do a run through on some safety stuff, and yeah. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna do a quick rundown how to chain a mini down here. You always want to have 4 points of contact. I usually put one chain on either side of the blade. You don't got to go too crazy with cranking the chains down. You want them tight, but you don't want to over crank them, bend the sides of the trailer rails or anything. Once you have both sides cranked down, just want to make sure that your slack is somewhat tied up. I usually take my slack in the blade and tuck it in the middle here, get that out of the way. Take one side of the chain, make a small loop. Do the same thing to the other side. Run it down through, make a small loop. And then same thing as the back. Run your binder down through. Make sure they're both snugged up good. And same thing with the chains, pull all your slack out of it. Once you have a slack out of your chain. On the minis, you want to always try and strap down your bucket too. I usually just run a strap up through the center of the bucket. Hook your strap into the side of the trailer. And same thing, pull all your slack out. Crank that down. And same thing with the chains. You want to wrap up all your slack out of the strap. You don't ever want your slack hanging down, get caught in the tires, wrapped up. Rip a strap off, or possibly hit somebody's car that you're following. I just take my tail, tuck it down on the side of the rail, close your ratchet, you're good to go.